Hey, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time of watching our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this website. Now, I'm going to be fast about this. Now, I just discovered this mouse airdrop is just the same like the dogs. Very, very simple. I just joined this mouse project. So I think it's looking very good. So this is how you go about it. Once you start, you are going to be, it's going to calculate the number of years you have spent in Telegram and also using some mouse points. So I think this was the one allocated to me. Now, in order for you to claim more, you can do your daily check-ins. These are the daily tasks. I can see this make a ton transaction more. So, but if you want to do this, you can also do it, but I don't think it's compulsory. As you can see, it says daily, so it's not compulsory, all right? But if you do it, it's going to boost your mouse points, all right? So I think these daily tasks, you're clicking on it, it's not working. Okay, now you can come here and do most of the tasks, subscribe to that channel. It's not hard. It's just the same like Dogs Edge. Right here is the leaderboards. As you can see, oh my, wow. So that's it. You can also refer to your friends, share your invite links for others to join. So that's it. In the wallet connection, let's see if we can connect our wallet. Now, if you are using any of this Tonekeeper, I prefer use Tonekeeper. So I'm using Tonekeeper on my laptop. So what I'm going to do is copy the link and then head over to my browser and paste the link. Note, if you are using your mobile phone, you don't have to do this one. Right? It's going to open your Tonekeeper wallet for you, but if you want to do it, it also works. Right? It also works. Oh, this is mine. Let me use my other one. Okay, let's do that again. This how to connect your wallet. So let's just quickly do this. So I connect to mouse and then connect. Done. I can close this. As you can see, my wallet is okay. Daily claim. Check. Connected my wallets. I think as you can see, you're just adding more. So this one is confirmed already. You can also do just to tell that's the way to accumulate more tokens. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. If there will be any other update on this, I will post it on my channel. So if you haven't joined my channel, use the link below this description, below this video to join. Thank you guys for watching. See you on our next video.